Clear the track. Moving the next one.
Submerged in our massive soaking pits, the hides are gently agitated, ensuring deep saturation and cleaning before the tanning process begins.
Heavy one coming out.
Guide it to the rollers. Make sure it's centered for the wringer.
Align the edge right there. Yeah. Got it. Feeding it through now. Check the pH levels on drum 3.
Looks stable, but the temperature is climbing slightly. I'll adjust the flow.
Here in the tanning hall, the raw hides begin their transformation into our signature bison leather.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before it hits the roller.
Gauge is set to 2 millimeters, boss.
The temperature is holding steady at 35 degrees.
Good. Let's maintain the current flow rate for the next cycle.
Keep the flow steady, don't let them fold.
We have the next. We need another trolley over here. Coming right up, watch your step. This stack is ready for pickup. Keep it steady on the left side. Almost through the first pass. This batch is looking good.
Clear the path for the next load coming through the tunnel.
Got it. Need a hand with that trolley.
Make sure the edges are secure before it enters the booth. Got it. This one is heavy. The engraved platens descend with precise force, permanently embossing the premium grain pattern into the bison leather.
Make sure the grade A goes here. This one is slightly damaged, put it on the lower stack.
We needed another pallet ready for the large sizes.
Position the material carefully to maximize yield. Activating the press now. The cut is clean.
Make sure the bevel is consistent on all edges. Yes, checking the thickness now.
Utilizing our premium Bison leather, the industrial machines create flawless, precise stitching on every wallet.
Workers use electric edge burnishing tools with high-speed rotating tips to apply friction, heat, and pressure.
We need to increase the output on the Bison wallets today. Ensure the cleaning is thorough before packaging.
Here the wallets receive their final protective coating, ensuring resistance to moisture and abrasion.
We're clear for the packaging hall. Keep the Forge and Flow shipment moving. Confirmed, moving to Bay 4. Our premium Bison leather wallets are carefully placed into the molded trays, ensuring a perfect fit every time.
Ensure the sleeves are perfectly aligned before placing them on the belt. We need to maintain the flow.
"12 more to the left." The shrink wrap looks perfect on these. Send them to the packing station.
Need another tray here. Got it, stacking the last one now. Utilizing advanced automation, we ensure every premium Bison leather wallet from Forge and Flow is perfectly sealed and ready for shipment. The final step. Our premium Bison leather wallets move into the vast logistics warehouse, ready for distribution.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.